So, being that normal day, I just bought some supplies, some potatoes, a cheese plate, butter. The rest of it, it's at home, right? So, I'm planning to make accordion potatoes. Not that I watched it on YouTube and just added to it. Alright, I got it. Fuck it. Wait, just 1 second. Garlic.
That is by far the best thing I've ever made. So let's start out with getting potatoes
Don't worry, that is the cutting board in the house. Some people like me, or maybe it's just me, you can imagine there's a bacteria sitting on that things. Cool. Now, what he did was make square things, but I guess that doesn't matter, does it? Unless I do the same thing. And whoa, ice water. Hold up. Wow, ice. Fuck! Whatever. I'll just move on. No, just don't mind me. Soda. Okay. What he did was I guess that's more efficient. Let's try the same thing here. Yeah, that's more efficient. Good. Good job. Oops, that's so thin. Fairly square, just keep it like that. One of these is stir right at the end. Now. Chopsticks! No! I knew what to use that for it. What can we keep? Damn it. I guess let's just keep doing the things besides each other. I'll take one bit. Oops. Yeah, it should be fine, right? Just watch this too. No, because the handle is, touching the pad. Chopsticks in an Asian household, I mean, yeah, makes sense, but you see, I'm not Asian. Although India is in Asia, but we don't call ourselves Asian, do we? We are Indians. That's unnecessary proud right there. But it is what it is. Let's see how. Oh, it's not cut through it. Oops. God damn. Yeah. Kind of. Yeah. Good. What's next? Damn. Thin as you can. Jesus. Butter. Para. Para.
And I love you so much that I can't hurt. Pacing back and forth, hoping that this thing works. You always waking up in my t-shirt.
That stuff. Do we have
Been search for lovers. Desserts, the disperse. Hopping in this winter cost our souls. We shine bright like a Kira, I know. Baby, we finna blow it. Just don't know how.
coriander? For God's sake, why coriander? You have garlic. Spices. Might have yes, what I would like on my potatoes would be Chili flakes. Yep, that's the stuff. Oh, yes, that's enough. Should salt is like set that. We might have a problem here. Mind my words, might. Although we could just, ball it. But do we want to? What else was there?
Garlic butter mixture.
Okay, garlic, we have a bunch of it.
Garlic, oregano, just out so that they can
Cumin?
get crispy. While they're soaking in the hot water, we're going to make garlic butter mixture. So butter,
Parsley, garlic,
oregano, cayenne pepper, salt.
pepper, salt,
Mix that
pepper,
up.
salt. We have chili flakes. I guess that's one way.
Range.
I say we call it.
This dries out.
God's sake. This is the butter we have.
Butter mixture. Now I try to
We
get
have to melt it. Like, it's already melted. Moved it. On the next shot, we could change that should be enough, or maybe not. Yes, yeah, it should be. It's gonna melt too, right? Yeah. Just keep it here. Preheating the oven right now. It's not hot. It didn't melt. That was close. That was dangerous. Quite a lot dangerous. Now some of the chili flakes. So I guess oregano. Didn't have it over. Hold up. No. Jeera powder. Do you want it? Just put some cheers. I don't know why I did that, but no, I can't go back. That's just how I have to eat now. Now once done that, we mix it. But it's white. You see, that's an dinnerware. It might get stains. Do we risk it? Or do we not? What else we can do is have an aluminium foil over it, but that's added effort. I guess convention can handle normal dishes. Yeah, it can. Microwave is the one which can't handle normal dishes. Then just try. We'll try these mini. Oh, it's almost done. The preheat is done and it's all calculated. It's almost on time. Now let's put some. Alright, the preheating is done, so why is it ventilating it out? Dude! Let's go there. Inside. Yep. Maybe. Should help, right? Yeah, it should. Is it the center? It is. Now we do convection. 200 degrees Celsius is said for 10 minutes.
One eternity later.
I mean, except for the charring part and those, golden crust part, it does taste good. I mean, of course, it's just, baked potatoes with some garlic seasoning. Yeah, might not look aesthetic, but I guess the accordion potatoes might taste the same except for the crunch. But to be honest. It has some crunch on the edges, but actually that it's good.